Hello students, this is introductory class on HTML. HTML is hypertext markup language and it is used for web page designing. The pages which we see in web browsers during our internet surfing is the web page, and the items which we see in the web pages are hypertext. That means textual items in the web page with some formatting is the hypertext. Other than hypertext in the web page, we see some sort of multimedia in the form of images, in the form of sound, in the form of videos. So let us start the HTML programming. For HTML programming, we need two application softwares. One is Notepad. It's very common in Windows operating system. And another one is web browser. That is also very common. Web browser means Chrome or Netscape Navigator or Internet Explorer. These are web browsers. So any one of that will be okay for you people. Now let us start the web programming in HTML. This is HTML5, and let me tell you, HTML actually it's an interpreter based programming language, and in interpreter based programming language, while programming you will not find any error message, but if the program is not correct fully, you will not get the output properly. So by seeing the output in the web browser, you can be confirmed your program is correct or wrong. So this is our first program. We have I have written here, you can see clearly HTML, then body, then H1. H1 is nothing but the heading, and then I have closed the body tag, then I have closed HTML tag. So for this is the HTML, it has started here, this is the ending of the HTML, this is body, and body is closed here. So whatever programming lines we will put in the program, it will be within this space. So HTML body and closing of body and HTML tag is common for all the programs. Now there are two types of HTML tags. One is container tag and another is non-container based tag. And what is tag? Tag is nothing but the statement or a single line in HTML program. HTML, here you can see the first line HTML tag, then last line is closing of HTML tag. So HTML tag is a container tag. But H1, you can see here the third line, H1 tag is started, but it is not closed. That means it is not container tag. So that's the difference between container and non-container tag. So this is a simple program I have written here. Now I will save it. You have to save this file. You can give any file name, suppose A B C dot html. You have to put HTML as the file format, and then you will put it like this, all files. You can change the folder and then save. So our file is here. This is our file. You can double click here to open the file. You can see here we have written this Department of Pharmaceutical Science. So in the web page it has come. Now different formatting and different type of formatting we can do here. Its heading, we can change the color also. It's come by default, it's black color. If we want, suppose blue, so we'll write font color is equal to blue. You have to save it, and in the web page you have to refresh. You can see the color is changed. So this is the first program in HTML programming. This way actually you have to start your program. The rest program I will give you. You will just save the programs in your particular folder, and you can open the programs in Notepad. You can do your necessary modifications if required, and you can open the program file in any browser, for example Chrome, to check the output. So this is all about your HTML programming system. Thank you.